Hey, what's up, guys? It's Cashflow Disrupt Tech. So today we are doing a review. It's not really a tech product. I guess it kind of is. But I just received the Miller Logitech Embody gaming chair. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about it and my experience sitting in it thus far. I'm actually sitting in it right now. When you first receive the box on the outside, there's all sorts of designs on the outside of the box, talking about the science behind the chair, all of those things. And so when you actually start opening it, one of the first things you realize is that there's no assembly required. This is huge for chairs. Having to put these things together is such a pain. So having it just be ready to go out of the box is fantastic. I've actually got some unboxing footage here, and forgive the background, but you know, COVID-19, got to make do with what we've got. Right when you take this thing out of the box, the first thing you really notice about it is that it's got a very luxurious vibe to it. It's very sturdy, very stable. All of the components feel very smooth. The detail in the product is fantastic. So that's all great. But really, at the end of the day, when you've got a chair, it's about sitting in it and how that does for you. So I've spent a lot of my time in kind of gaming racer chairs. And some of the problems that I have with those are, one, my legs will fall asleep after an extended period of time. And that's problematic, obviously. So that's no bueno. The other thing is kind of like getting sweaty. The chairs don't necessarily breathe well, and so you kind of start to sweat, and it's uncomfortable. So this chair's got a very unique microfabric. I can't remember what the name of it is, but it's pretty nice. It's soft. It's super breathable. Another thing about this chair is that right when you sit in it, you can tell that it's going to kind of support you at your heaviest points and allow your body weight to not settle into, I'm not sure what the right term is, but kind of pressure points. So your butt's not going to go numb. Your thighs aren't going to go numb right behind your knee or whatever. Another thing that's really great about the chair is its ability to maneuver into many different positions. So you've got a lot of customization available. You can do all sorts of things for your posture, your lumbar, the armrests, all of that stuff. So pretty cool. At the end of the day, in terms of where you spend your time, a chair is a place that you really do spend a ton of time in. Your bed and your car are probably the other ones. And so it is important to have that be a comfortable place for you. This particular chair, I think it has a 12-year warranty. So in terms of the investment, I plan to be sitting in this chair for 10 years, 12 years, or whatever. So in that regard, that can kind of help justify the price point. But on that topic, it is an expensive chair. It's not something you necessarily budget for or that a lot of people necessarily spend money on. But look, if you're going to spend $1,000 on a graphics card or $2,000 or $3,000 on a gaming PC and all this other equipment, it is important to make sure that you're sitting in something that isn't going to damage you, that'll allow you to work efficiently and as healthy as possible for extended periods of time. So in that regard, I don't think you can argue against it being a bad investment. Anyway, I hope this guy's helped you out. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and we will catch you next time. Thanks.